What's up, guys? It's me back, and today we'll be playing MUOrigin.ro. So, I've been playing this for a while and I'm pretty good at this. So, if I'm just gonna show you, I play at Miracle Zone 68. So, I have this main character, Sekiro. I'm damn good at this plane. I even have a line under this following thing. So, I'm gonna enter the game. Yeah. So, we are entering. So I pretty let me change that. It was over there. Yeah. So I pretty much just follow these two. Is that the camera over there? So I just pretty much follow these to. This is the moving stick, and this is the things and all. Like this is the event on all camp battles and all. So I mean yeah. So let's. You know what? Let's just follow these and let's continue. We're just going there. Is it okay with you guys if I do it over there? No, actually do it over here. So yeah, I'm just it's just navigating me over there. So I'm pretty strong actually. I mean, if you wanna challenge me, yeah, I dare you to. And there's this mode in the game in which it can auto kill and all, so you just have to keep it on. So how cool is that? But if you're gonna do it, but that are actually there's more. We also have a lion, as you can see, but if I just click that, it will just auto kill them, right? No? Okay. It's still not completed. So sorry for the silence, just doing this all. So these things are damn strong. How many more do we have to kill these? I'm just at 29 right now. Damn, that's a lot. So yeah, recently I did a video on how to bake a strawberry loaf, right? So if you guys didn't check that out, go check it out. It's pretty awesome. My mom's a baker. It was her recipe. It's so tasty. But she's a cake baker. Yeah. Oh, that was cool. I mean, the lion's also cool. I'm just gonna sword him. I mean, I like this game a bit, I mean a lot, but yeah, also a lot. I like the wings which they give us. That's actually a good thing. Like, it looks good at every player. The first time I actually played this game, I was like, wait, how do we get the wings? How will I even get the wings? Then I was like, oh yeah, the game gives it to you. I was like, answer down. Yeah. How dare you kill my Condra? You know how it was for me to get him to take care of my gardens. Whatever, I don't even care. How will you pay for the damage you caused? If you go kill some crops for me, I may consider helping you. Dude, these are like series and all. Yeah. Do we have to kill these? Okay. You have to kill 40 of these. I think over here, one move will do good. Oh, yeah. Told ya. Why do I think that I'm standing a bit weak in front of these? Maybe just kill 12 of them in this much time. That's bad. So bad. I'm even damaging them. I mean, we have a damn good health bar, so it doesn't really matter that much. Just killed 18 of them. Where are the rest? I'm just gonna let the game do it for me. The game's doing it for me. I wonder I could like do the camera like fix or, but I can't. I really don't have a good setup. I'm playing literally on the S20 Ultra. I got it gifted, but it's not that good to be honest. So after this, I'm gonna show you guys a thing. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's some free gift and all. So yeah, let's just kill these. So auto. You see this auto button over here? You have to click that to make it go on auto. And if you just press, it will just do it auto. And you have to, if you want to go back manually, you just gotta click it there. Yeah, I don't even know why we want to go to this man. I mean, it's a cool game. Like MoOrigin.ro is only to be downloaded from like the Google and all, and not from Play Store. From Play Store is MoOrigin Invictus, and believe me, you don't want to do that. I mean, I haven't played it yet, but the thing is, it takes 55s. Though this one takes 70, but this one just happens in like 5 minutes and all. The other one takes like forever, literally. It took me. I started downloading the files, the 50 files one, and it took me like 4 hours to download the 50 files. What? What are these claw pieces? Whatever. I'm just gonna put it and put it to auto. I mean, auto is helpful. Like if you wanna like your hands are paining and all. I mean, this game is damn good for like the players who like these games. These are level 100. Oh, that's the elite one, I think. Why do we have to kill 40 of these? You can also tap like the places and they'll go there. No, that's something I didn't know. Okay, as soon as this thing is done, this old man's thing, then I'm gonna show you the thing I wanted to. I'm literally sitting on my bed. I don't even have a table chair. I mean, I have one, but my father works over there. And that's pretty boring, man. Like, sitting on a table chair. I think beds are better. So after this, I'm gonna go to the daily gift thing. As soon as we hit 40 of those. I mean, having this tiger and lion thing is so cool. So yeah, if you guys like might be noticing I'm not uploading many videos, it's because my school days and before that for a long time I didn't upload because it was my final exam, so I'm damn sorry for that. But now they are online classes, and so it's just like 3 hours classes. So after those, like I will be recording and uploading them, so it won't be a big. Now I'll be uploading regularly. Like I would also be uploading more baking and all ones, baking videos and all. Like after this or something, like tomorrow I will start recording the french fry, how to make french fries and all, so it's cool. Why am I killing the contrast? Don't we have to kill the Saipta? Go over there to I wasted a lot of time in killing these. Not actually, I'll do that later. Go to the daily buy. This function is not allowed. Whatever. Delete. What just happened? Wait a second. Okay. I don't know what just happened. I want to go to back to the main map. Oh. That was good. Can I do it here? Yeah. So if we go over here, yeah, you have to go over here and then we have to press this recharge 2001 and then we have to click over here. No, I did it wrong, didn't I? Yeah, then we have to go click at free items. I mean, I told my friends to vote for me. Why can't I click on free items? Why did I go to MU Cash? Yeah, the 180 USD. Just goddamn take me there. I will go to any other, but not that one. Great. I'm gonna share this to other my friends so they can do that. But why can't I do it? No, guys. So I'm gonna try again. So it's actually at. If you guys can do it, just tell me. The clicks are not working with the game. It's at daily buy. Then we have to go to recharge, any recharge, and then we are about to click to the diamond option, and then we have to click at the free items, but I can't just click there. I don't know why. Do I have 1 MU cash? Gosh, that's cheap. Oh, it worked. Okay. So claim 305 diamonds. Okay. So now we. Wow, damn, these diamonds are of course fast. But receive. Yeah, that was cool. So this is the benefit of this RO1 dot RO. You can do these. Yep. I don't know why I did that one, but okay. So yeah, I just did the free one and all. So guys, I think that was for today's video. If you guys want to see me playing more of this mu.ro, muorigin.ro, hit that like button to show the support and write in the comment section 10 likes and I'll do one more episode. See you later.